the Heart, and I'm back with a quick card share, just trying to use things I have in, my collection to see if it's something that I want to keep or not. Sometimes I buy things because they're on sale or I want to meet the free shipping threshold. So sometimes I get stuff where I'm just kind of like, do I want it or not want it? So two of the items that I am looking at, so this one it's a quirky chevron background from the Ink Blot shop. The other is the Stamp Market Just Flowers Plus Dies. And these are the two cards that I made. And I think I'm not in love with the stamp set, but I really like the dies. I think you could build up something with just, the dies. You could do something with, anyway, not a huge fan of this particular stamp set. I think it's just not my style. But I did have fun making these cards. So I used some variety of pink inks on here. What's nice about these is that because there's no coloring, it's all done with ink, they're very quick to make. So just really quickly, you can make these, cut them out with the dies, and it's just pretty much good to go. So this one says, thank you for being you. Now the sentiments are ones that I've already stamped and I've cut out. They're using mostly the Tailored Expressions simple strip sentiments that she has in her shop. I really like these a lot. There's a couple of companies that have come out with similar products and where you stamp and then you cut with the die and you can cut all kinds of sentiments at once. And so I really do like that. So I did a pink version and then I did a blue version. So these are just going to go in my stash. It says happy birthday and thank you for being you. So thank you. This very quick little video today. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane the Heart.